Okay, yeah.
Is Daddy being a horsey?
Yes, the donkey.
Daddy's being... Oh my God! He's gonna fall! Oh. Amy! That something really funny happened to you, Mr. Oreo Cookie.
In the fridge on the second layer.
He got stuck in the fridge on the second, was it shelving?
Yeah.
How did he, what? So you went over there to put the cake in the fridge?
Then I open it. All I see is him like this on top of the water and the milk.
Oh my God! I'm sorry. This is gonna be everywhere. Oh my God! Was he okay? Was he waiting for you to open it or what? Oh my God, Emma! He could have been frozen. What? Emma found Oreo in the fridge. Fridge at 3:20 a.m. What were you doing awake at 3:20 a.m. in the morning?
I need to go to the
You
restroom.
did all that.
Oh, and Zoe says good morning.
Bye bye. Boo 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 bye.
Oreo ate the chicken in the fridge, right, Zoe?
Oh yeah, the chicken.
Yeah, he ate the chicken in the fridge.
Chicken got big.
Yeah.
You didn't really know he was in there.
No.
I did not know.
Are you sure you didn't know?
I did
How
not
he
know.
got in there? I don't know. How?
I woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning. I checked the fridge.
I don't know. Maybe the fridge could have stayed like halfway open.
No, I closed it. I closed it tightly.
You woke up at 8 o'clock and then you found him in there.
No.
I
I didn't check the fridge. I looked at the freezer.
So you checked the freezer, but you didn't check the fridge.
Nope.
And then when you opened the fridge, he was in there.
Yep.
Oreo.
I did not know how.
Oh my gosh.
www.
So now Dad's gonna have to get another chicken so he can
Flippy.com.
eat. Right?
Ew. So
Funny face 1, funny face 2, funny face 3, funny face 4, 5, 6, funny face 7, funny face 8, funny face 9, and funny face 10, and funny... You started laughing. I know.
Hey, Dada.
you want to open it?
Huh? Yeah, open it.
Can I put it upside down? Is she gonna get you?
No. Probably.
Let's get Blippi!
That's your baby.
Let's get Blippi.
That's your baby.
Here. You get, don't. Over there on that side. Here, give it. Ready?
Look at the baby.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready? That's all I got.
What is it? What color is it?
I don't know, but look. It doesn't come out right. Did you pause it? No.
Watcher.
Really?
Ew, it's
Okay. Now you guys do it to each other. Go get her! Go get her! Emma! Oh my God.
in my hair.
She got you?
No, Dad.
Ready? You did. Where is it? Are you gonna get Maui? Get Maui. And there she goes. No, oh my god, I smell gross now. Amy. Okay, give it to Zoe.
No, she gets for me.
Look at what she did to me. Oh god. Stop it. Okay, now give it to Zoe now. Oh my god. Honey, I need this out of my hair. Amy, how do I get it off? Zoe, come and get it.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you, Dad, for getting Zoe this.
Zoe, come here, look. Come do me now.
Okay.
Come do me. Come here. Come do it. No, here. You can do me. Spray me.
Okay. I'll do. Do mommy?
No, do me. Me.
Do me?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Can she do it?
I don't know if she can press a button, but we need to get it out of her hair.
Yes.
She's having a hard time.
She go, haha.
Okay, let me get it out of your hair.
Amy. There you go.
Here, guys, spray me.
Spray, ready, go.
Oh, oh my. Oh no, it's my hair.
That's what I said.
You.
Ah!
Here, spray it. So here we are. Waiting for it to start, like. Definitely Happy New Year. Morning to these two. See? Morning, Zoe.
Mommy.
Yeah. Today is Christmas. New Year's Eve. Boop, boop. Aww. Look at her hair. So crazy. Okay. Maui just barely woke up, and so did Zoe. With her crazy hair. Look at. Hi. She says good morning. There's nothing I can do about that hair, guys. Seriously. Okay, well. Aw, look over here. Say cheese.
Okay, guys.
Look, say cheese. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boop. Good. Good, babies. Good. I made breakfast, and she made that. Yeah, she made it all by herself with the help of Emma. I don't know how many eggs it is, but I hope it's not a lot. Emma made it for me. New Year's Eve breakfast. It's a beautiful egg.
Look, go swing.
Let me see. Look. It's a big hand that she can stick on the door. Yeah. What do you think? Yes. Yes, do the door. Oh. Oh. Did it stick? Oh. Do the door again.
Yeah.
Okay. Again. Oh my gosh. Ah! That's funny. You're so funny.
Hey, get your mommy.
Ready, set, go! Oh! Ah! Ow! Are you trying to get me? Oh my god, it's working! Ah! Ah! Ow! You already like hit me like I don't know how many times. Oh, ah!
Baby, mommy.
Right here, mommy.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Ready? Go. Ow! 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 Man. You're so funny.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, I daddy.
Go to daddy.
I get you, daddy. My turn into our.
Like this.
Ready, Emma? Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Ready, Emma? Come on. Come. Emma, daddy. Hey, get try, Emma. Ready, daddy? Ready, Emma? Yes. Go.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be careful, okay? You gotta do too rough and you're gonna rip it.
Maui.
Oh, Maui! Maui! Matcha.
Come on, Zoe. What are you doing?
I'm gonna play Maui.
You gonna play with Maui? Yeah. Say jump. Oh. Jump, Maui.
Jump.
Tell him, Maui, come on. He's tired. Ah, help you? Yeah. Go, go, go. Tell him I'll help you, I'll help you. Oh, Maui.
Hey, Maui.
You are, huh? Good girl, Mama. Good girl. Mommy likes it. Nina.
Go, Emma.
Oh my gosh. Where you going?
Bye.
Hold on. Oh my gosh.
She knows her circles. She knows
knows-
her name. But then she said, oh.
She knows how to write her name and she knows how to show her colors. So it's happening. Amy's leaving me again. She's gonna go chill with her friends. Remember what I told you to behave? Be respectful, be nice, and all that. Keep your location on so I know where you are at all times. What else?
My gum left me. Oh, it's on my pants.
Don't listen to the one in the back. That's annoying.
My gum fell in my pants, I promise.
The gum fell in her pants. Oh gosh. Well, find it.
I already did. It's in my mouth.
Okay. So, other than that, Amy, what else you gotta say?
She's on her phone.
It was snowing yesterday.
It was?
Where?
Huh?
Where was it snowing?
Today? Last night?
I didn't see any. Did you see any?
Oh, I'm doing.
Yeah. Why do they think you're weird? I think, you know what? I think that's the coolest thing that you could ever do. Because I can't do that. Oh, maybe I can.
Oh no. Oh no. I can't say that.
Yeah. I don't know. It's a reflex. Look at that. Is that a 9? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Mia, are you seeing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's crazy. There's a circle.
Look at that.
Hey, somebody's moving. There's a U-Haul.
Oh my gosh. Good luck to wherever they're moving. They're shopping. We're vlogging in the car. And Mia has, I don't know how many bubble gums in her mouth. No, show me. Show me. Bubble gums. Show me the colors. Show me the colors. What colors do you have in there? What colors are there? Show me.
Red.
Red. And then?
Blue.
Blue. Good job.
Yellow. I don't know how to say it in sign language. Pink. White. Hello, white. How he's going? You my friend? Oh God, thank you.
You're so funny. She's so funny. Okay, no, well, it's because like we don't really like to go inside stores when they're like crowded like this. There are people, but let's be honest, people tend to push sometimes and stuff like that. So we rather stay inside the car. And Mia does not like crowds, so I stay inside the car with her while they go shop. So, it is what it is. Amy has already been dropped off. She's already snapped me some Snapchat pictures a couple of times already. So, we'll see what we do without her today. Oh my god, it feels so odd not having her with us. But, she needs to have some fun. She is her own person. Right, Mia? Mm-hmm. And we need some time away to be able to miss her. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, well, yeah, that's about it. We're just gonna wait until they come back. Get her on your side.
Yeah, put this on your side, please.
What did you get?
Okay.
I got it!
You got what? You got mushroom?
A mushroom.
Mushroom.
Minecraft.
Mushroom.
Here, show vlog. Zoe, show vlog.
I got a mushroom.
She got the mushroom.
Look at
Oh shit, it's a little piggy.
Oh, that's so cool, Zoe.
I really
cute.
cute guardian.
Go sit down.
She got the mushroom.
floor.
Sit down, Zoe, on your chair.
It goes moo. Moo.
She likes those things, huh?
Moo. 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 She just looks at me with a straight face.
Welcome to the you know it wasn't when he hugged from behind. It gets me every time. I used to work, but it's in the streets. He said, girl, can you ride the part that my daddy told me? He got me feeling like, ooh.
Zoe! You didn't want us! Ah! You didn't want us! You did it! You did it! Oh, you want to wash hands? Okay. Did it, Zoe! Can you say hello, Zoe? Hello, Zoe.
Hello, Mommy.
Aw,
Chicken milk.
you're Superman today. Supergirl. Sorry, girl. Yeah. Look at Maui. Oh, sweet, sweet boy.
Look at big hands.
Wants to play with the sticky hand.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. Oh, he wants to play with the sticky hand. Good, good little babies. There we go. Get him, Maui, get it. Get it. I don't know what he thinks it is sometimes. But yeah. And there she is. Good morning, Jojo. Yeah, it's Sunday and it's morning for us, and this is their last day to be home before they go to school again.
I think go.
Yeah, you miss school? You happy to see teachers?
Yes.
Awesome.
Look at the luck.
Pain.
And then the duck.
Yeah. Oh. This is mine.
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 These guys right here, especially Emma. Emma, say hi.
I'm talking to my friend Zeon on Roblox.
We're gonna end it
Don't go to school.
after a long Christmas break. We're going to end this vlog because tomorrow they start school.
First day of 2018 of school.
I know. How do you feel?
And then in a couple of months we'll be out for spring break.
Yeah, so check out Zoe. She just fell asleep right now. It's
She did.
almost It's almost 8 p.m.
It's 7:43.
8 p.m. almost. She is asleep. She fell asleep with the container as a pillow of cookies because she didn't want anybody to get cookies. So she fell asleep with cookies. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we are going to say goodnight. Right, Emma? We're gonna say goodnight? We have not vlogged in like so many days, so this is definitely going up. And you're gonna say,
Good night. Have a good night. Make sure to learn your education, not me.
no. Everybody that is going to school, have a wonderful day tomorrow. And we will see you on the next vlog. So bye-bye, Emma.
Bye.
One more thing. If you like this video, please give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Alrighty then. Okay, say
Bye.
bye.
My finger's big.